What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. As y'all seen by the title, we're gonna be going ahead and throwing the underglow on my box Chevy. I just feel like it'll look pretty good on here. It won't be like too much, but I feel like it'll be like just enough. Like, you feel me? Y'all feel what I'm saying? I feel like since I got the halo lights, I should throw some underglow on here too. So that's what we're gonna be doing in this video. Soon we're gonna be ordering the star headlights. For the Charger, we're gonna be throwing the star headlights in the Charger soon. We're gonna be doing it ourselves too, doing this underglow ourselves. So as y'all can see, I've started running the power wire under my carpet and stuff, so it'll come out right here. Y'all, if y'all can see, it's a little dark, but it's gonna come out right here, and I'm gonna have the plug just sitting right there. That way I can access it with the remote and stuff and with my phone. So yeah, I already started running the wire, so we finna go ahead and get this going. I gotta get the power wire hooked up, and I'm gonna hook the ground up to some metal up there. So yeah, I already got the power wire running. We just need to go ahead and hook everything up, place the underglow where we want to place it, hide the cords to make sure the cords don't get close to no headers or to no exhaust, so they don't burn and all that good stuff. So we're gonna have to get the pipes going good and everything. Now I know y'all see the wheels behind me. Y'all probably like, when you gonna throw the wheels on? We're waiting on the wheels. We've been waiting on the wheels. You said you just finna throw them on there. Y'all gotta stay patient with me. Stay patient with me, not patience. Stay patient with me. I'm looking for some screws, or yeah, I'm looking for the center cap screws. So I think I'm gonna go to Lowe's, cause I went to AutoZone. I done bought 3 packs of screws, and none of them will work. One of them fit, but then it won't fit through here. So yeah, I'm gonna probably go to Lowe's today or tomorrow, one of them days, and we're gonna look for the screw to put into the center cap. So yeah, that's my only reason why I haven't put the wheels on yet. I know y'all waiting on it. It's coming though. Y'all gotta be patient with me. And another reason why I ain't put them on yet is because not just the center caps, but you feel me, the weather is cold outside again. So it's supposed to warm back up later on. Well, for me, it's gonna be later on this week. For y'all, it's probably been like 2 weeks. So yeah, cause I've been grinding, y'all. I've been recording a lot, having a lot ready to post. So like I said, I've been grinding. So I got a lot of videos. So it's about time y'all see this. The wheels probably been on for like a week. So yeah, make sure before we get started, make sure y'all hit that like button for me. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. Turn that post notification bell to all. That way y'all be notified every time I drop. I'm dropping like crazy, y'all. I'm trying to stay consistent, like I told y'all. I'm just working now. Shoot, I'm grinding. So that's all that is. But the wheels, like I said, the wheels coming soon. I gotta find a bolt or a screw for the center cap that'll fit in the center cap and that'll fit in the thread of the wheel. So that's what we're looking for now. I gotta find some of them. Probably gonna go to Lowe's. AutoZone didn't have none, so I'm probably gonna go to Lowe's, like I said. And then I'm waiting for the weather to warm back up. It's cold outside, so I really don't even want to do this underglow right now because of the weather, but I'm gonna push through it because I need to stay on top of my videos. So that's what we finna do now. Go ahead and get the underglow. Like I said, I got the wire ran, so now I just gotta see how I'm finna do the underglow part. So yeah, that's what I'm figuring to do now. So y'all give me a second to get everything set back up, and I'm finna see how I'm gonna run this wire, and then once I figure that out, I'm gonna turn back on the camera and come back to y'all. So like I said, y'all give me 1 second, but hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you're new, turn post notification bell to all. That way y'all be notified when I drop, cause like I told you, I'm going crazy. But yeah, give me a second real quick. All right, y'all, so the way I got this wire ran, it don't look the cleanest, so I'm gonna have to end up redoing it. But for now, this is how we're gonna run the setup. Now, one of them I could not get to run all the way to the back. I'm gonna show y'all all of them real quick. Ooh. Like, see, you see how I'm saying? This, it keeps turning, and this double-sided tape ain't sticky anymore. But we got one of them on, and don't worry about them zip ties. They're gonna end up cutting off. I gotta hit somebody up so I can get me some brackets made so it can hold these up, and I'm gonna put like 4 brackets on each one. But yeah, for now, this is how we're gonna run it. I got all the wires here and nowhere near anything that can heat up and burn the wire, so that's another plus. I got all the wires ran. But yeah, like I was saying, I couldn't get one, so that's where my box is. I gotta finish connecting it to my phone, so I couldn't get one to run to the back. So for now, I just sat it right snap, what I just knocked on. I might have to figure it out in a minute. But yeah, I had to just sit one right there for now. Like in the grill, so it looked like the grill like lighting up, like if I had a Tierra grill. But here go one, and if y'all can see it, is one right there under the grill, but that's the second one. So I got one to the front and then one on each side. And there's one behind the grill, is the one that's supposed to go for the back, but it wouldn't reach all the way to the back. And here go the last one. So I got them ran to where they ain't gonna overheat, they ain't touching nothing, they ain't in the way. And then I got my ground wire down, and then I just gotta put the power wire on real quick. So I'll let y'all watch me do that. Hope y'all don't fall. But yeah, you can just take this one bolt off the power wire. And we're gonna put this power wire on. There it goes. I just need a little bit, but I need to fix this wire. That's why I took it off so much. I think they on. Yep, they on. See, that's gonna be the only thing. I'm gonna have to keep unplugging them unless I can turn it off from the app on my phone. Hold on, it's coming out. Okay. So y'all can see the one I was talking about in the grill. So they on. That's gonna be the only thing. I'm gonna have to figure out how to turn them off without me having to come unplug it every time right there. So hopefully that don't run my battery down, bro. But yeah, like I said, we got that on. Let me see if I can connect it to my phone real quick. I'll let y'all see me trying to connect this to my phone. It's trying to download the app. I told y'all it's a little chilly out here too. But we got Underglow under the Caprice. I rock with it. Y'all let me know what y'all think about it. I just don't want to have to keep unplugging it every time. I hope I can just shut it off. All I had to do was scan this thing. That's all I had to do was scan it, and it popped up the app on my phone. So got the app. Bluetooth. How do I connect it though? Alright, let me plug this back up again, and we're gonna see if it's connected to my phone. Ooh, it's hard to do all this one-handed. Yep, my phone already connected. Let me show y'all. Have it like that. Have my phone here. So green, yellow, red. Boy, they look purple, but blue. So yeah, we got it. It's already connected. Let's see if it changed. Static blue. Yep. That's hard. We'll probably run. Nope, that ain't close to the car color. We'll probably just run white for real. It's pretty hard. We just probably run white like that. Well, it looks better on camera than it do in person, no cap. See, I just gotta figure out how to turn it off though. Background, I don't see nothing really. Yep, it don't let me. Oh, maybe right here. Okay, yep. So that's all it is. Power off. So yeah, hopefully it don't run my battery down. We're gonna end up checking that out tomorrow. I'm gonna come back here tomorrow and try to start it up, and if it ran my battery down, then yeah, we're gonna have to undo that. But for now, we're just gonna leave it like that. Hope y'all enjoyed it. Hope y'all like this. I'm messing with it for real. Underglow under the Caprice. Later on tonight, I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna turn it back on. I'm gonna show y'all. I'm gonna let y'all see what it'll look like. But yeah, like I said, we got the front, then we got one behind the grill, and we got one on each side. So I couldn't get it to the back because the cord wasn't long enough, so I'm gonna have to get a new kit for this car. But for now, this is how we're gonna run it. Me personally, I like it. I feel like it ain't bad. But yeah, like I said, y'all let me know what y'all think about it, and I'm gonna catch y'all in 1 second for the outro. All right, y'all, that's gonna be it for this one. I appreciate y'all for tuning in. If y'all haven't already, go check out all my previous videos, man. And y'all let me know what y'all think about how my builds are going. Like I told y'all before, I'm taking things slow. I don't want to just rush it because I don't want my builds to look rushed. So I'm really taking my time with these cars, and it ain't really much I can do since I'm not making a lot of money. I ain't making nothing from YouTube. Everything I make is just me, like, doing stuff on my own. So you feel me? So I'm just taking my time, and the money I make, I'm throwing it right into the cars, getting parts, getting little stuff. You feel me? I was trying to wait to put the wheels on until I got the rear extension turn signal piece. It's that little piece in the back of my car, and it's missing. When I bought the car, it didn't have the piece, so I've already ordered it, and it's supposed to come in. That's the only reason why I've been trying to put off putting on my wheels, because I wanted to wash the car. Because if y'all ain't seen, these wheels are pretty filthy. So the dude, he had told me when I got them, he was like, they just been sitting in the storage collecting dust. So that's why I've been trying to hold off, because I wanted to wash the car, but I can't wash the car because that light part it's exposed. So if I get water on it, it could damage that light, and it messed up a lot of wiring. So I was trying to wait because I wanted to wash the car, and then the wheels with the car on, well, and the wheels on the car, I should say. So if it looked like I'm pushing off the wheels, I'm sorry, I kinda am. I was just waiting for that piece to come in so I can do everything in one day. Put that piece on for a video, throw the wheels on for a video, drive the car, like little driving footage, you feel me, and then wash the car, you feel me. That's what I was trying to do. So I'm sorry for pushing it off, but that piece should be coming in real soon, so we shouldn't have to worry about that too much longer. But like I said, I appreciate y'all for tuning in to all my videos. Those of you that do comment, I really do appreciate you, for real, with all my heart, dog, no cap. I really do appreciate y'all for supporting me and tuning in to all the videos, liking the videos, all that stuff, man. I appreciate y'all. Y'all, like I said, y'all let me know what y'all think about the underglow under this car. If y'all think it'll look pretty good if I just get it right, really. I feel like it'll look really good, especially at nighttime, since I got blue halo lights, and then I gotta have white underglow. I can do like a yellow underglow, like between yellow and orange, try to get a gold color once I get my gold door handles and stuff. Since I already got my front gold emblem on, that's still on the car because I got that one on right, but my trunk one, I'm still waiting for the dude to hit me back to see if he can do it. It's a body shop down here, so I'm trying to see if he can do it for me. He can put it on there for me. If so, we're gonna have that on the car too. So yeah, I'm just ready, man. Like I said, I'm trying to do a little gold accents on this car, you feel me? So yeah, y'all let me know what y'all think about how the build coming. Y'all let me know what y'all think about the underglow, about all the gold, about the wheels, all that stuff, man. Y'all just let me know, because like I said, I value y'all opinions, and I appreciate y'all, man, for real. But yeah, I appreciate y'all for tuning into this video. Y'all hit that like button for me, subscribe to the channel if you're new, turn that post notification bell to all, that way y'all be notified when I drop a video or drop anything. And yeah, that's gonna be it for this one. I appreciate y'all for watching, man. I'll catch y'all in the next one. All right, y'all can probably barely see me now. I got my interior light on, but like I told y'all, I wanted to show y'all the lights at nighttime. So let me go ahead, get ready to show y'all that real quick. It's dark out here, which is good, because that's what we needed. Y'all can't even see me right now. You know what, freak, I ain't even gonna try and do all that. Let's try and connect to them. There they go. Yes, sir. Y'all can't even tell. But you feel me? We just don't got them in the back right now, which is, it's okay by me. You feel me? I don't really care. We got them on the sides and the front. Let me take my car cover off real quick so I can show y'all what the behind the grill would look like. Y'all see? Y'all, well, you can't even really tell. I'm just making the front look a little more brighter, which is fine. Y'all see my gold emblem. Y'all ain't checked out that video when we put that on, go check that video out. But yeah, let me change the color, go red, or that's purple. There we go, red. Nah, that's hard. Now the only bad thing is, like I was saying, the cord would not reach to the back, so we don't have any lights back here, but we do have them up here. So yes sir, it don't really bother me that we only got 3 of the lights instead of all 4. It's fine by me. I ain't too much worried about it. But yeah, we got 3. Let's go green. Ooh, look at that, we changing it. Let me change it one more time. Let's go a bright blue, then dark blue, pink, red. Let's try orange. There we go, orange, yellow. Let's see if I can get it to like a gold. Yep, right there, like a gold color. Go back green. All right, let's try some flashes. Yep, flashing. Nah, this is hard. I like this. And I got the, as y'all can see, I got the app on my phone. Changing colors. Nah, this is hard. And then I got my halo lights too, bro. Yeah, this is tough. This is tough, bro. I like this. Go back white, then we change it there. Go to a bright blue, dark blue. We probably gonna rock the blue. Nah, we probably, like I said, rock the white, because we got the blue halo lights. Nah, this is tough though. I wish I had better lighting though. But yeah, like I said, y'all let me know what y'all think about this. Let me cover my car back up so we can end this video off again. Y'all probably already heard the first outro. Let me cover my car back up. Oh, I told y'all it's hard doing this stuff with one hand. Make sure it don't push my emblem down, bro. Yeah, and then we just shut it off, shut it back on. Now that is hard, bro. No care. I like it. All right, y'all, hold on. Let's get back in the charger, man. That is so tough. All right, like I said though, I appreciate y'all for tuning in. Y'all do me a favor, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you're new, turn that post notification bell to off. I'm doing it like it's a little, we at a campfire, you feel me? You gotta put the light to your face trying to scare people. Yeah, but yeah, like I said, y'all hit that like button for me, subscribe to the channel if you're new, turn that post notification bell to off. That way y'all be notified every time I drop a video. And y'all let me know what y'all think about the light, the underglow on the car. I'm gonna figure out how I can just add one to go to the back or something. See if I can like cut that wire and then add wire to it and make it a little bit longer or something. I don't know, we're gonna figure something out though. But like I said, y'all let me know what y'all think about it. I'm finna get on out of here, go back home, and I'll catch you on the next one. Hopefully the next one is us putting that piece on the back of the Caprice, that rear extension piece, and then after that we throwing the wheels on, we're gonna be driving it again. So yeah, like I said, y'all hit that like button for me, subscribe to the channel if you're new, turn the post notification bell to all, and I'll catch you on the next one.